You got a meeting with an investor tomorrow, and your slides are a mess of mismatched fonts and last year's logo. Now what? Open Vyroq's brand kit and click the pitch deck tab. Vyroq writes the whole thing for you. First, pick your audience, investor or sales. Then set number of slides, anywhere from 6 to 14. Hit generate for 16 credits, and Vyroq gets to work, writing the outline, drafting copy for every slide, and generating on-brand cover and section images. It takes a bit longer than other tabs. Decks make several AI calls after all. When it lands, you'll see your pitch deck is ready. A fully editable PowerPoint file, styled top to bottom in your brand. Need adjustments? Type your notes into the refine box and click regenerate. Same 16 credits, and it comes back reworked around your feedback. Click download PPTX and it opens straight in PowerPoint, Google Slides, or Keynote, completely yours to fine-tune. From blank page to Boardroom-Ready in one sitting. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.